Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is a beautiful, beautiful day here on the mountain. And we're going to go ahead and take a little walk. Look at the clear skies, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful this morning. Of course, Chanel's out here making all kinds of fuss. Of course, old Coco's still out the old yard. Coco, what are you doing? What's up, guys? What are you doing? Come here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, sweetheart. Somebody's happy today. Are you happy? But we're going to take a little walk. Putting out a video today on homesteading. That is going to be a complete land tour of the new property coming to Come On Mountain. There was a drifter down moment, guys. Mike did go down in that video, and he almost chopped my leg off with a machete. So it's going to be a good one. You don't want to miss that one. It's going to be going out today at 3 o'clock Central Time. I don't know what time this one will actually get up. It should get up a little bit sooner than that one, I would think. But it all depends on upload speeds. Domino! Domino! What are you doing? It's Domino's turn to go for a little walk with old Dad this morning. I'm always taking him for a ride. If you can see, Domino limps a little bit. According to what I was told, when he was younger, he got hit with by a car. And he favors a leg, and it's mainly noticeable when he runs. Domino, we're not going to do the traditional good morning now that you're walking in the mud. The creek's almost dry. But I figured I'd bring y'all down here and just kind of show y'all a little bit. Look at those mountain views back there, guys. All of the leaves are definitely starting to fall. So basically the new property is going to go all the way from that big tree right there all the way to about down there. And it's going to go all the way back to the management area back there, which is going to be really cool, which I talk about a little bit more at the end of the video that's coming out on Come On Homesteading. Sorry about the dated video yesterday a little bit. That ended up stretching over a month's time with Blue Eddie. They wanted me to do some other testing and stuff like that, so I had to add that to the part that was already filmed. But I had to go ahead and finish that up. I was under contract, so I needed to get that done. It turned out really good though. It was a really good review, and it was also real nice that I could use it for a little while to actually get a good honest review on their system, the AC300. And I truly am happy with it. It saved me a ton of money in fuel since I've installed them, so it's a win-win. We got the cows. This water just sets back here on this road forever. I'll show y'all something here in a minute too that I found yesterday whenever we came back here, or the day before when we came back to explore this whole area. What is it, Domino? I don't know if we're going to walk all the way down there today, Domino. You want to? I guess Domino says we are. Now y'all see why Domino's slimming down. Starting to get his young man physique back. He's definitely got a lot more energy since he's dropped some weight, for sure. Domino, stop going so fast. What is it? Yep. Yep, you're smelling it, huh? Looks like there's been a lot of movement back here. My neighbors been coming down here quite a bit because, as you can see, their cows are off from the distance right there. Domino. I cannot believe that it's already Thursday, guys. This week is flying by. Christmas is going to be here in no time. No time. Domino. We're not going all the way over there. I know what you're looking at. Look at that, guys. If I wanted to get rid of all my trees, I could have these views right here. Like I'm just surrounded by mountains, but I don't want to get rid of all my trees. Come on, Domino. Let's go. Absolutely beautiful out here. We got a busy weekend coming up. I got a little party thing to go to Friday evening, and then Timifer and Jinjin is coming to Mount Magazine, and we're all gonna go up there and hang out with old Ridge Life and have dinner. I don't know who's all going. It's really whoever can make it, but I'm gonna go up there and have dinner with those guys and hang out. It's been hinted around about me going live while I'm up there, so we'll see about that, if that can actually be pulled off or not. I have no idea about signal and service and all that stuff up there. It's kind of spotty on top of Mount Magazine. Some places it'll be 5G, and some places you can't even send a text message. So who knows? All depends on how the night goes. But if we could pull it off, I'd like to pull it off and bring you guys along with us. But yeah, this is my last weekend in town before I fly out of town to South Carolina to go see my family for Christmas. So yeah, time is flying. This year, 2023, is almost over, and it feels like, it's weird. It feels like it's been this long year, but yet at the same time it feels like it just flew by. So it's been a busy one for sure, with all the reflecting I've been doing here in the last month. It's crazy how far the mountain has came this year, and how many big changes have happened in this year right here. Everything from like a new well to having a bathroom with a shower and a toilet and a sink and all of that, having a well insulated place to live, the drifting dreamers moving to the mountain, and everything that we've done down there with clearing land and moving those guys and getting them settled, and then also all the external stuff of just helping out friends and family. It's been a busy year, and here, as soon as I get back from my trip for Christmas, I'm actually going to start working on a video that is probably going to take me 50-60 hours to actually edit and make. But I'm going to do the journey up to this point on Come On Mountain. It ended up being about a 19-20 month kind of look. It's been almost 2 years. The last week of May is when I moved here, so the last week of May this year will end up being 2 years that I've been here on Come On Mountain, and so much has changed. Come on, man. Come on. Waddle yourself on down. So yeah, it's been one heck of a ride, and you guys have been coming with me the whole time, and that is absolutely awesome. As we look back on everything, leave in your comments what has been your favorite part to rather this channel or Come On Homesteading, or even Fired Up Friday. What's your favorite video this year? Your favorite project, your favorite episode? Leave it in the comments. I'm kind of curious. And I might end up doing a poll with like the top 3 answers or whatever, and then maybe get everybody to vote on the top video of the year for here on Come On Mountain. So yeah, I think that'd be cool. What do y'all think about that? This one ain't gonna be too long a one today, guys. I'm actually in the middle of working on the closet, so I'm gonna get back at that. I hope everybody has an amazing Thursday, Friday Eve. It's almost the weekend, guys, and sure a lot of people's going to be out and about doing Christmas stuff this weekend and finalizing Christmas plans and decors, or going to little Christmas parties and stuff like I am. Good times, guys, good times. But I love every single one of y'all. Do something nice for somebody today, especially this time of year, and take a step closer to your goals. But always, guys, and I do mean always, keep it real. Come on.